Packing for a move? Most people make one huge mistake. They pack the wrong things first. And that one mistake can turn your move into total chaos. Here's exactly what to pack first and what should stay out until the very last day. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful moving tips. Packing isn't just about getting things into boxes. It's about timing. Pack too early, and suddenly your kitchen tools, paperwork, and daily essentials are buried in sealed boxes. Wait too long, and the final week before moving day becomes a stressful scramble. The secret? Treat packing like a timeline, not one giant task. Start with the things you use the least. Seasonal items like holiday decorations or off-season clothing are perfect to pack early. Next, pack decorative items. Wall art, display pieces, extra lamps. Removing these weeks before your move won't disrupt your daily routine. Books and media collections are another easy win. They're rarely used daily, and packing them early clears clutter fast. And don't forget storage spaces. Closets, spare rooms, and storage bins are full of items you probably haven't touched in months. Pro tip: label every box clearly. And consider color coding by room. It makes unpacking way easier later. Now here's what you shouldn't pack too soon. Coffee makers, tea kettles, utensils, and plates being used. Keep basic kitchen tools available so you can still cook simple meals. Important documents, identification, and moving paperwork should stay easily accessible. Same goes for chargers, medications, toiletries, and basic cleaning supplies. As moving day gets closer, these everyday items should all go into one place, your moving essentials box. Think of it as your first night kit. It should travel with you, not on the moving truck. Include things like chargers, toiletries, medications, simple kitchen tools, and even a box cutter so you can open other boxes when you arrive. When you follow the right packing order, your home stays functional, your move stays organized, and moving day becomes a whole lot less stressful. If you want your next move to be as smooth as possible, talk to a moving expert at National Van Lines. Whether you need help packing, planning, or the full move itself, our team is ready to guide you every step of the way. Get your free quote today and start your move with confidence.